Mukbang Mermaid.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm so lonely and I'm so sick of it. Give me a second and let me get in my chair. Hey, Bubbles, what's up? Just opening my ice cream because I'm a little down and out. Come on! Gosh. I'm eating ice cream today. Let me give you a close-up. I'm being so lonely. Here. This is my ice cream. Can you see that? How's everybody been doing? This got soapy. This isn't even ice cream anymore. Ah! Man. What's up? Hey, I'm Mukbang Mermaid. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I've just been really down and out lately, guys. I haven't felt like taking a sea salt bath. I just found myself eating ham and cheese roll-ups all day with ketchup and ice cream. I don't know what's going on. That's tangy. I just haven't had it in me lately. Do you have any advice? Oh, Bubbles. The oddest thing happened though. Okay, so I wanted some fortune cookies because I ordered some Grubhub. I ordered some chicken and broccoli. And it came with this little cookie. And it was like a fortune cookie. So anyway, I wanted some more of those. So I was trying to call the numbers for fortune cookies. And the oddest call happened. It's like I was just sitting here eating my ice cream and my phone rang. So I put down my ice cream, I picked up my phone, I turned it on, and I said, hello?
Hello, this is Fortunes by Cookie. I had a missed call from this number. I do apologize as I was in a deep slumber.
Yeah, I was trying to get my hands on some fortune cookies. They're so sweet and crunchy. Well, when you don't get a stale one, and it's hard to crack it open.
Is it your fortune you're looking for, darling? Hurry, tell me. I do not like stalling.
My fortune? You mean that little piece of paper that's inside the cookie that always gets in the way? Yeah, I can't read that, so I usually just eat it.
Darling, I see that you're lonely, but that won't last much longer. You see, a guest from out of this world is headed your way, looking for a place to lay. You're a different type, my dear. You're quite hard to tame. But very soon, I see lots of money and worldwide fame. Enjoy the moments, darling. The wheel of fortune will forever roll in your favor. Could I be wrong to sense you're eating Baskin-Robbins ice cream 31 flavors. Your guests will arrive on a stormy night when the streets will be filled with terror and fright. You'll be handing out the candy. I'm seeing Mike and Ike's. Whatever you do, do not fear, my dear. Your new guest will be quite sincere. He'll actually become your new friend, my dear. He'll bring you adventure, laughter, and cheer. Well, I must get going, darling. But whatever you do, remember your life is up to you. So you can sit and cry and watch the days say goodbye. Or you can hold your head up high and say, I choose to rise. Like a kite in the wind, flowing amongst the beautiful sky. Telling yourself you will always win. You were born amongst the kings and the queens. Well, Mukbang Mermaid, well, darling, I must get going. You see, Cookie has another fortune to tell. But remember what I said, darling. Hold your head up high. For a beautiful firefly, her light never dims in the night sky. I love you, darling. Bye-bye.
Huh? Wait! Cookie! Fortune's my cookie, are you there? Are you still there? I will. I'll hold my head up high, and I choose not to fear. I know that I've always got God on my side. I love you too, my dear. Thank you. Thank you. I needed that. I love you. Bye. I don't know, Bubbles. I just don't know. Anyways, I'm getting kind of tired. I think I'm gonna try to pep up and finish my ice cream. Hey Bubbles, I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and again, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I'm on. I love you, forever and always. I am Mukbang Mermaid, and I mukbang my way. Bye. It was just kind of odd. Who's coming? Guess I finish making my ham and cheese roll up first.
Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang